look so nice. What are you using? Yes, I do, because I use NARS foundation. What a bitch. I just said something nice and look at her. I kind of like a bronzy, natural eye look. What do you like? I'm all for a dramatic eye look. Hey honey, can I borrow your eyelashes glue? I can't find mine. Sure, my eyelash glue is right there. Okay, do so. Want it? Thanks, sweetie. I love that eyelashes glue.
2,000 years later.
Hey, you look smoking hot. You too, girl. Thanks. I know. Hey, sweetheart. Our date is here. Do you mean Batman and Superman? Yeah, let's go kill some bad people with our boys. Let's go.